Well, hi, good morning. So again, start of a new week. So first of all, have a good week. I think that's what I should say. So let's start from Friday. Now, Friday we saw the markets actually started recovering what they lost on Thursday, and we actually went up and up through the week. So and we also then closed on a very good positive note. So that also implied that we saw basically good short covering happening in Nifty, Bank Nifty, and if I just look at the data here, data is telling me that 9,900 and 10,000 levels, these are the two levels where traders actually were really going very aggressive on writing, and that also gives you a good support. So again, I have been saying that 9920, 9950, that's a good solid support area. We should not close below that. So again, that is all a part of the thesis here. That 9,900 level, and I would say between 9,920 and 9,950, those levels are right now providing you good support. The trend actually remains buy on dips, and what we have seen over the last two sessions actually is telling you more that till the time we don't break those levels very sharply, it should be actually implying that the markets are right now consolidating and forming a base for actually 10,500 levels. Now, in terms of resistance, 10,350 is the next level which you should be watching for. 10,120 is again the intermittent resistance before that. Support should be coming as I've already said at 9920, 9950 is the one where basically support should be coming for. Bank Nifty again very important, 25,200 and 24,260, two important levels. But then just remember, my view is apart from NBFCs, stocks like Equitas, Ujvan, Muthoot, Manappuram, these all come under NBFCs, asset management companies, those come under those. So what I'm trying to say is just don't be focused on financials. Metals, oil, they actually are going to outperform. Just try to find value in that. Again, Vedanta basically has seen good sort of long build up. Tata Steel has seen good long build up, but then I think the risk is higher. You're already stepping into a result with sky high expectations, good accumulation, so perhaps that is one risky area. But for me, I think IOC, HPCL, those are looking quite good to me in terms of oil stocks. RIL basically the base is 1600, so every time it's going to actually fall towards that, is again going to start rising towards 1700. That's where actually the range of bets is right now. So just focus on RIL also. In terms of there was more buying scenes, Century Textiles, Bajaj Finserv, Titan, Aisha Motors also, all these basically have seen good buying. Pharma sector, to me, I was saying on Friday when actually I had posted the video that pharma stocks perhaps could actually fall 2 to 3% more. Now they fell and the buying started to emerge out, which also tells me that perhaps some sort of second bottom is coming in the pharma index now, and that's why actually you should be really careful about the shorting blindly pharma stocks. Some stocks are really actually now bottoming out, but some stocks like Biocon, Dr. Reddy, Sun Pharma, they actually have seen good shorts also. So within the pharma, just be cautious. Index is showing some signs of bottoming out, but within that, some stocks are still actually falling. Tire stocks, one weak area. Results have not been that great, so some selling is continuing in the tire stocks. Then again, apart from that, what I'm trying to say is auto stocks. Just be very cautious and just focus on that also. I think over the next one or two sessions, banks should start coming back in auto stocks. Overall, let me summarize it. I'm liking the market in the fact that it's actually giving a good support around 9920, 9950, and markets are not in a hurry to run, but are just giving me opportunities that yes, you can pick out some sectors, some stocks which have not run up. I'm still quite cautious about the way PSU banks or private banks will be doing. There are not enough triggers now for them. NBFCs, yes, we would be picking them out as in when they should be giving value. And I'm just talking in terms of how you should be strategizing. But yeah, overall, I think right now metals, they're looking great. Dollar moves okay, but yeah, overall I think metals are looking great. Oil is looking fine, and then some stocks which I've highlighted in terms of consumption story, Titan, Century Textiles, they are looking great. Yes, so that's all about the trading. Biases actually buy on depth. So have a good trading day. And if you are a treasury trader, don't be buoyed by the dollar move on Friday. Overall, the trend is not looking that great. So have a profitable day. I'll see you later.